So the most awaited update of evolutionx OS is here. The version is 7.9.3 which I have installed, and there are some very interesting UI changes, some more visual changes. We'll talk about all of those things in this video, so stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. The version I'm talking about here is version 7.9.3, and as expected it is having the June security patch. I'm using unofficial version, but most of the things might be same, and I'm going to talk about some of the major differences or the major changes from the previous version or the major new things about this one, because of course sometimes the things are changed after making videos, but we will take a look at some of the major changes. Firstly, you can see the back gesture. It's inspired from Android 14. If you watched my previous videos regarding Android 14 beta updates, I've shared with you that this thing was introduced with Android 14. This new back gesture, it's now already introduced in evolutionx OS. I just made a video on Pixie OS 2 days ago, and in that custom, after making the video, they introduced this feature. So I'm unfortunate not to able to show you. But moving on to the other changes, VoLTE Wi-Fi icons. These are a little bit changed, modified. You can see the HD icon at the status bar. So now you will not be able to see the VoLTE or Wi-Fi. You will be able to see the icons. Like if you have VoLTE, then you will see the HD icon. If you're using Wi-Fi calling, you will not get the Wi-Fi indicator. You will see that Wi-Fi calling icon. So this is another change which we got here in this evolutionx OS latest version. The version is 7.9.3. One of the main highlights and the major changes includes this emoji wallpapers. If you move on to the live wallpaper section, you will be able to use this emoji wallpaper. Simply move on to settings options. You can customize the emojis, you can customize the patterns, you can customize the colors, you can even randomize that. It's totally up to you. For example, after applying this thing, and if after clicking on done and okay, you can see home screen and lock screen, both of these things are available. In my case, previews are actually not working, but if I try to enable this option like we just did, this is how the emoji wallpaper is working like. Of course, as I'm using unofficial version, so in my case, if by any chance something not working, does not guarantee that it will not work in the official version. Most of the features are actually same. You can see, you can simply randomize these emojis, or you can use your own emojis also. And this is emoji wallpaper also introduced with Android 14, sorry, in QPR3 as far as I know, and this was amazing. You can customize a lot more things here, and this is amazing that evolutionx OS is bringing you this feature. Of course, they are having the June security patch, and right now, because very few customers are providing you the June security patch, maybe they will skip that, or maybe a little bit more delay. But yes, this is what we have about evolutionx OS latest version. This looks amazing. This is something interesting here. One more thing is quick settings tiles, I mean to say the quick settings brightness slider tile, brightness slider style. You can customize that, and we have approximately 5 styles options available. This is what I have applied. We have 4 styles and one is default, so we have total 5 styles. So it depends upon if you like any one of this, you can customize. And by the way, if you just notice, the quick settings panel is in dark mode. So in dark mode, sometimes things doesn't look that good in my personal opinion. Of course, I don't like the dark mode. I don't know why, but even if you use the light mode, you might get the light quick settings panel, but that's completely fine. It's your own preference. If you want to use this thing, you can. These are the 5 brightness slider options, brightness slider styles which are present in this version, but including that, all the other features are almost same here. And evolutionx OS brings you a lot of features, by the way. For example, the parallel space option, which is quite interesting, quite useful, it's present. It's by default, at least it's not removed. Some features might be removed if of course they update daily. Sometimes the source change after making video, so things might be different, but most of the features are same here. Game space, as expectedly, it's present. And as far as I know, that gaming unlocks things. For example, the unlock more FPS in games, that feature is actually removed. Of course, that's implemented by default, but you can't toggle it on or off. Theming options, dark theme, fonts options, everything is literally same here. In lock screen, you have the customization options related to lock screen clock fonts. So of course, Google introduced these things in wallpapers and style, and I will make a video. I will definitely share with you these things in upcoming time, because the July security patch, maybe Android 14 beta 4, things will be changed. In this default launcher, what I found here is the force themed icons. The feature which was available in Pixel Launcher developer version or Pixel Launcher extended version in developer options, this feature was so good, and at least finally it's present in Evox launcher. But other options as expectedly are same, because this is Evo X launcher, which means some customizations. There are many customizations as compared to Pixel launcher. These are amazing. So if you want to give it a try, you can. These were things I just wanted to let you know. This is about the new update of evolutionx OS version 7.9.3, kind of most awaited. If this is available officially for your device, you can check it out. Link is available in the description, and if it is not available by default by official things, you can check out if it is available unofficially. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.